In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add an author box in WordPress. An author box is a section where you can display information about the post author with links to their information and social profiles. It makes the site a little bit more authentic, and it also helps establish a connection between the user and the author. To add an author box on your website, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. And right here is the plugin that we're looking for. If you don't see this plugin in your featured plugins, just type Simple Author Box in your search bar and press Enter. Click on Install Now to start the installation. Installation is complete. This button changes to Activate. So we click on it to activate the plugin. Okay, and once the plugin is activated, you'll be redirected to the plugins page. If you notice, you'll see the Simple Author icon in your WordPress dashboard. So go to the icon and click on Simple Author. And now click here to edit the author profile. And if you scroll down, you can add a nickname here. And then here you can choose which name you want to display publicly. Then scroll down. And under biographical info, we just add your bio. You can change your profile picture using Gravatar. Or the plugin allows you to upload your picture as well. Just click on Upload Image. And then upload the image from here. Next, you can add your social media links here. Select which social media site you want to add from here. And add the URL of your profile here. You can add more social media sites by clicking here. Then click on Update Profile. So now we're going to create a sample post and see what the author box looks like. Click here to preview the post. And as you can see, the author box was added. This is how you can add an author box in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And of course, if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.